Kapuso, ngayong umaga makakasama natin ang isa sa ipinagmamalaki ng General Santos City. Ibinida lang naman ang Pilipinas sa katatapos lang na Virtuoso Music Festival na ginanap sa Vienna, Austria. Let us all welcome Aaron Villanueva. Hello Aaron! Welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kumusta ka?
Magandang umaga po sa inyo mga kapuso.
Una sa lahat, Aaron, kwentuhan mo naman kami kung paano ka nasali sa Virtuoso Music Festival.
Una sa lahat, piniem lang po ako ng isa sa mga guro ko doon sa Santa Escolasticas College, Manila. At saka nakita ko naman yung mga detalye. Tapos, actually sumali na ako ng contest pa before this one. Tapos, ayun, so, bali nakita ko siya bilang second chance ko na I will learn all of my mistakes, what I did from my previous competition, and then I will do better in this contest. So, I took the chance po, even though I am busy po with my academics and all of my other stuff.
Aaron, ilang countries ba ang lumahok at ano ba ang ginawa mong preparation sa competition?
Sa contest na po ito, meron po mga 26 countries na sumali sa online competition na ito. At saka paano po ako naka-honorable mention. Para po sa akin, parang natsambahan lang po ako, parang it's beginner's luck. Kasi di ko talaga na expect na magkaroon ng award dun sa contest na yun. Tapos, syempre naman, I really worked hard. I really learned from all the mistakes I had.
Ano bang hindi mo makakalimutan, Aaron, na experience o yung proudest moment mo sa katatapos lang na Virtuoso Music Festival?
Sa tingin ko po na I actually felt that I got better na than my previous years. Like, mas gumaling ako this time. Kasi from the past 2 years, I have been under a very strict professor po na na talagang musician talaga, music major. Oo. And then I feel more better right now kasi lalo na may award ako, it motivated me po to join more competitions. At saka mas makas ang mood ko and confidence that in playing my instrument.
Alright, kwentuhan mo naman kami, Aaron, kung paano mo nakahiligan ang pagtugtog ng violin.
Una sa lahat, pumunta po yung yung pinsan ko mula sa US. Tapos, nagtugtog siya ng violin, tapos while watching her po ay parang I like to learn another instrument po kasi noon piano pa lang ang alam ko i-play. So from there, I also heard one of my cousins here sa Jensen play the violin, and then maganda talagang tunog. And then ayun, 1 month after they left Philippines and went back to their home sa US, I took lessons. And then, ayun, I really enjoyed playing my instrument po.
Kanino mo ba inaalay, Aaron, ang panalo na kamit mo?
Una sa lahat, inaalay ko inaalay ko si God dahil siya ang nagbigay ng lakas at saka gabay para kasi kung wala siya, hindi ako maging ganito ka-talented, or I won't be me as a musician. And also, syempre din yung mga magulang ko kasi silang nagsuporta sa akin, nagbigay ng disiplina para sa kalakasan ko ngayon, at saka yung mga guro ko, especially my music teachers, kasi they gave me direct music education that na umaangat talaga ang mga musicians or people will have true music educations from these very good music professors I had in St. Scholastica's College, Manila.
Ngayon, Aran, namamayagpag na ang pangalan mo sa larangan ng violin playing. May mga aasahan pa ba kami sa iyong mga international competitions sa sasalihan?
Yeah, I have plans on joining other contests, international and nationally also. And then actually, I plan to join one major competition here lang in the Philippines, NAMSIA, which is the National Music Competition for Young Artists. Well, there's a competition this year, pero it's just for the juniors. Kasi yung juniors and senior division, ga-alter yan. Like, for this year, it's juniors, so next year is seniors. And then the other year, and then the next year after next year, that will be, juniors ulit. So that's my ultimate goal for next year.
Lastly, ano ang message mo, Aran, sa lahat ng mga violin artists na nangangarap na maging kagaya mo?
Okay, first of all, kung nag-umpisa pa lang kayo, do not take it too fast. Like, take your time. Don't rush. One term din yan kasi musicians, we have tendency to rush kasi. And then, ayan lang masabi ko, don't rush. Kasi kung mag-rush ka, parang nasistress ka na, di mo na talaga na-enjoy. Kaya take it slowly lang and enjoy. Kasi if you take it slowly, you will learn faster.
Maraming salamat, Aran, sa time na ibinigay mo sa At Home with GMA Regional TV at sana'y mas makilala pa ang talento mo sa buong mundo. God bless!
Maraming salamat po.